Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting way for you to turn your passion for photography into a source of income. Have you ever considered that you could earn $50 or more daily just by uploading your photos online? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 fantastic websites where you can sell your photos and make money online. Whether you're a professional photographer or just enjoy snapping pictures with your phone, these platforms offer a fantastic opportunity to monetize your talent. So grab your camera or smartphone and let's get started. This is Billy Profits, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. First on our list is Shutterstock. This well-known stock photography site allows photographers to upload their images and earn money every time someone downloads one of their photos. To get started, you need to create a contributor account on the Shutterstock website. Once you've registered, you can begin uploading your photos. Make sure to follow their guidelines, which include file size, quality, and subject matter. Once your photos are approved, they'll be available for sale on the platform. You can earn anywhere from $0.25 to $2.85 per download, depending on your earnings tier and the size of the photo purchased. With some great shots, it's entirely possible to earn $50 or more daily, especially if your images are in high demand. To maximize your earnings on Shutterstock, focus on uploading high-quality, unique images that stand out. Popular categories often include nature, travel, food, and business. Remember to use relevant keywords and tags when you upload your photos. This will help potential buyers find your work more easily. Additionally, consider keeping an eye on trending topics or seasonal events, as images related to these themes often sell better. Engaging with the community by participating in forums and learning from other contributors can also provide valuable insights to enhance your selling strategy. Lastly, consider creating themed collections of your photos. This not only organizes your work, but also allows buyers to easily browse a specific genre, increasing your chances of making a sale. Next, we have Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock offers another lucrative platform for selling your photos. Similar to Shutterstock, you will need to create an account as a contributor. After registration, you can upload your images directly to the platform. Adobe Stock is unique because it integrates seamlessly with Adobe Creative Cloud, making it easier for designers and creatives to access your work. Earnings vary between $0.33 and $2.99 per download, but with consistent uploads of high-quality photos, earning $50 daily is very achievable. To maximize your potential earnings with Adobe Stock, consider offering a variety of photo styles and subjects. Pay attention to popular themes such as technology, lifestyle, and fitness. It's also important to keep your images sharp and professional, as Adobe Stock has a reputation for high-quality content. Using Adobe's editing tools can enhance your photos before uploading, ensuring they meet the platform's standards. Like Shutterstock, staying updated on market trends can help you tailor your submissions to what buyers are currently seeking. Additionally, consider utilizing Adobe's marketplace to promote your work further. Sharing your portfolio through social media channels can drive more traffic to your Adobe Stock profile, leading to more sales. Moving on to Alamy, a platform known for its diverse collection of stock photos. To start selling on Alamy, sign up for a contributor account on their website. Once approved, you can upload your photos and set your prices, allowing for flexibility in your earnings. Alamy offers a generous commission structure, with contributors typically earning around 50% of the sale price. Depending on the image and its popularity, you can earn anywhere from $25 to $250 per sale, making it feasible to hit that $50 daily mark if you have a good portfolio. To increase your success with Alamy, focus on niche markets or unique subject matters that might not be widely represented. Don't hesitate to submit photos that tell a story or convey strong emotions. Alamy also allows contributors to sell photos that may not fit traditional stock categories, giving you more freedom in your submissions. Networking with other photographers and sharing tips can also help you learn what types of images are resonating with buyers. Additionally, consider participating in photography contests or submitting to exhibitions to gain visibility and credibility, which can drive more sales on Alamy. As you build your portfolio on Alamy, actively engage with potential buyers through social media. Creating a personal brand around your photography can foster a loyal customer base and encourage repeat purchases. Next up is Getty Images, a premier stock photo agency known for high-quality content. To sell your photos on Getty, you'll need to sign up as a contributor through their website. After getting approved, you can upload your images. Getty Images offers competitive earnings, allowing contributors to earn between 15% and 45% of the sale price, which can range from $50 to several $100s, depending on the licensing agreement. With high-quality, marketable photos, earning $50 daily is very much possible. When working with Getty Images, focus on producing editorial-style images or those that reflect current trends, as these tend to have a higher demand. Additionally, ensure your submissions are professionally edited and formatted according to their guidelines. Consistency is key, so aim to upload regularly to build your portfolio and increase your visibility on the platform. Engaging with your audience on social media can also drive traffic to your Getty Images profile, potentially leading to more sales. As you gain experience, consider reaching out to businesses or influencers who might be interested in licensing your work directly. This not only diversifies your income sources but can also lead to higher payouts. Last but not least is FOAP, an app that allows you to sell your photos directly to consumers and brands. To get started, download the FOAP app and create your profile. After setting up your account, you can upload your images. FOAP is unique because it lets users create missions where brands post specific photo requests, and you can submit your images based on those requests. For each sale made, you earn $5, and in missions, you can earn even more. If you play your cards right and get involved with multiple missions, earning $50 or more daily is definitely achievable. To maximize your success on FOAP, regularly participate in missions to increase your chances of making sales. Engage with other users by liking and commenting on their photos. This can create a supportive community and lead to more visibility for your work. Also, ensure your photos are vibrant and tell a story. High-quality images that evoke emotion or provide a unique perspective will resonate better with buyers. Sharing your FOAP portfolio on social media can help you attract more followers and increase sales as well. Consider collaborating with other photographers on the platform for joint missions. This can enhance your exposure and lead to more opportunities. By building relationships with brands, you can position yourself as a go-to photographer for specific styles or themes, increasing your chances of being hired for more lucrative projects. So there you have it. 5 incredible platforms where you can upload your photos and potentially earn $50 daily or more. Whether you choose to focus on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Alamy, Getty Images, or FOAP, the key is to stay consistent, create high-quality content, and engage with the community. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments which platform you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching and happy selling!